how to install WordPress manually. For this, download WordPress bundle from wordpress.org. Get WordPress, download it. Okay, here your zip file. Open Cpanel. First, make database. For this, go to MySQL Management, create database, put database name and username, and then make the password. Okay, your database has been created. Now extract this file, again add to archive and make a zip file. Okay, open public HTML, upload this zip file, this one. Okay, it has uploaded, and now extract it. Okay, open website. Now you have to run the installation of WordPress. Okay, continue. Let's go. Put the database name, database username, database password, and submit it. Then run the installation. Okay, put the site details, username, password which you want, and install WordPress. Okay, you have successfully installed WordPress manually. Thank you.